So this is fire and gas system. So today we are here to disable some tags. Suppose for some hot work is going on. So due to that smoke, it should not get activated. So we'll disable it for some hours. So we'll go to menu, then disable, then points, then we'll search for the tags. Okay. We are typing the tag details. So after searching it came. Now we have, suppose we have to disable 534. So now we'll give enter. 534 we have to do. We'll give enter. We'll go down, then again enter. Then for suppose how many hours you want to disable, I want to disable for 6 hours. So I have enter. Now I'll give enter. It will ask for my confirmation. Execute command. Another command has been executed. Now we have disabled it for 6 hours.